Namo Namah. Welcome to NJ Charitable Foundation. Friends, now in this video, we will talk about some solids like cuboid, cube, cylinder, etc. So, as per the chapter's name, geometrical figures, we talked about some shapes like quadrilateral, square, rectangle, circle, right? Now in this video, we'll talk about some solids who have length, breadth and height. First of all, I want to draw a cuboid. Here, as you can see, it has length and breadth, but if I move this figure, you can see its height. So it has length, breadth and height. It has 6 faces. It looks like a box. So here we can see 1, 2, 3 faces, and 3 faces are at opposite sides. So there are 6 sides or 6 faces of this figure, and it is a solid shape which is known as a cuboid. See, this is a cube, and if you want to see in a 3D view, you can see a cube has also 6 faces, and it's also look like a box. So solid like box having 6 faces in which length, breadth and height are equal, and it's called a cube. So this is cuboid, this is a cube. Now let's know about a new shape. See, it's look like a rectangle, but if we see in a 3D view, we can see this is a cylinder. It's a cylindrical solid which is known as a cylinder. One more solid. See, as here we can see, I have drawn a triangle, but if we move this figure, we can see this is a cone. So conical solid. It's a conical solid. It's known as cone. And we have one more figure. This is like your cricket ball or tennis ball. This is a sphere. It's look like a circle, but if we see in a 3D view, you can see it's a sphere like a ball. So here we have 5 solids. This first is a cuboid. This is a cube with all equal sides. This is a cylinder. This is a cone and sphere. This figure is known as sphere. Once again, I wish to show all these figures in a 3D view. You can see cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. So friends, in this video, we learned about some solid shapes, or we can say solids with length, breadth and height. They all have length, breadth and height, except this sphere. This is a spherical solid. So cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. So friends, observe some solids in your surroundings. Find these types of solid shapes, or we learned the figures in the previous video like square, rectangle, circle, and observe that with length and breadth we can draw some figures, but with length, breadth and height we can draw some solids. And as you know, a matchbox is like a cuboid. So using some matchbox, you can make some models or design, or either by using these types of dice or cubes, you can make different designs and models. So these are very useful shapes or solids we can use to make different models. So try to make different models using these solids. So friends, here we are done with this chapter. Look around and find different types of shapes used in your house, in your furniture, in your clothes, and make a list of these types of objects and shapes. See you in the next video with some more mathematical ideas and number games. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.